Insiders are calling it an historic move. Nearly 2 years after Denver 7 investigates first exposed problems with patient care inside Clearview Behavioral Health, the state suspended its license and shut it down.
We've aired more than a dozen reports exposing critical failures behind closed doors at Clearview, including accusations of Medicare and Medicaid fraud, holding patients longer than medically necessary, even accusations of staff stealing from patients.
And we've uncovered the death of a father of 2 who was given powerful drugs and left unattended. Chief Investigator Tony Kovaleski has been uncovering the truth since January 2019. Tony, this started with one dad, one patient.
And one phone call, Ann. His son was being kept inside against the family's wishes longer than they wanted. He started the story. Dozens of others called with other even more disturbing complaints, all describing Clearview as a business focused on profit and not patients.
There was an immediate threat to life and limb.
And that's why the state took the most serious action possible.
When we entered the facility, we immediately identified significant violations.
And this video confirms the concerns discovered by the state. Our cameras rolled as patients were removed from the facility. The decision came just a few days after the state conducted a surprise inspection. It came after inspectors got a clear view of what was happening inside. Problems so significant, the state made the decision to close Clearview.
Effective today, they are no longer in operation.
The move follows months of complaints from patients, family members, current and former employees, all asking the state to hold the owners of Clearview accountable.
Are you saying that they billed for services they didn't provide?
Correct, especially group therapy sessions.
Who's making the decision on discharges? Is it the medical professionals or the money managers, the administrators?
The administrators that are making the decision, and nobody says anything.
What does that say to you?
That it's all wrong.
2 insiders have said to us that this man, this father, didn't deserve to die.
No, he did not.
If he were better cared for, would he be alive today?
Certainly more than likely.
Denver 7 has confirmed a former employee filed a complaint that sparked the most recent unannounced visit. His accusations included fraud and violating patient rights.
This organization was not able to operate the facility in a safe and appropriate manner on an ongoing basis.
Has the state ever done this before?
No, Tony, at least in my 17 years here at CDPHE, we have never closed a behavioral health hospital.
Now, the state also telling us they found a lack of infection protection for COVID-19 in the facility during its inspection last week. We reached out to Clearview for a comment. When we identified ourselves on the phone, the call taker hung up. Attorney General will now continue the investigation and the process of officially closing Clearview.